Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to the latest crypto news. Here we are going to discuss every day the latest crypto project, meme coins, marketplaces and so on. Today I have something special for you. We are going to discuss an NFT marketplace and it comes also with their own token. Name is Love Power Market. I'm super excited to introduce you to their latest project, to upcoming marketing campaigns, of course to their token and the growth potential it has. First, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Guys, are you ready? Let's jump right in. First, we are going to check out their website. Right here, you can explore how you will be able on this platform to buy, sell, and even exchange your NFT. Just think about how much power and growth there will be behind as soon as the marketplace launches. I'm so excited for it, I can't wait, and I'm definitely going to put it on the watch list. The feature of P2P NFT exchange is currently testing. It will launch in the near future, so stay tuned and make sure that you follow them on Twitter. I'm going to show it to you in a second to never miss anything again and to stay tuned when the marketplace finally launches and is done with the testing phase. The launch of the NFT marketplace will contribute a lot to the growth of the token, which will be our next talking point. I'm going to show you the price chart and also let's check out maybe some investment opportunity for you. Right now, you can find their own token, the Love token, right here on Uniswap. They had already a threefold growth in the last 6 months, and I'm sure it's going on. We also have some marketing campaigns coming up, which will attract additional interest in the Love token. And of course, as soon as they will be launched on the Tier 1 and Tier 2 exchanges, there will be a very, very good growth potential for the Love token. This could already happen in the near future, so make sure you're ready for the next bull run. You can already explore the NFTs right here on their website. Just scroll through and you are able to pay for them with Love. That's so nice. I think it's an amazing project and you should definitely stay tuned about it. Make sure you check out their Twitter. It's the Love Power Coin. They already have 14.3k followers, so make sure that you follow them. Also, they have their own Discord community, so if you are interested into deeper details of the Love token, then just join the community, go into their Discord and connect with other people. You can also join their Telegram group. They already have quite a few members, but I'm pretty sure you will find what you're looking for right there. And community is just the right point. The Love community is already huge. You can be a part of it too. As I mentioned, please follow them on their socials to make sure to be a part of the Love community because it's consisting of several hundred artists already who previously traded on OpenSea, but they are now transitioning to the marketplace. Also, when you're an active member of the Discord community, you will be able to attend various contests and giveaways, which makes the community so much more growing together. In the near future, they will even launch a lottery on the marketplace with real cash prizes. Isn't that amazing? You don't want to miss out on this. So, first of all, make sure to follow them on all of their socials. Second, like and subscribe to this channel to never miss anything again. And of course, make sure that you put the Love token on your watch list. I think it has so much growth potential, especially when they launch their NFT exchange and marketplace, where you will be able to buy, sell, and exchange your NFTs by just one click. I'm very excited for this project and I am definitely having the Love token on my watch list. And now guys, have a great day and I see you next time.